Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. See guys, we will pick up today the guava. Our tiny guava. They have the very tiny also. Fruity look. Very cutie pie, but I think already ripe. That's why I told to my husband to pick up 2 pieces. This already last year 1 pieces. Now today is 2 pieces. Yes. Pick up. Oh. The other one, Daddy. The other one. You watch, Sophia. Sophia. Careful. Careful. Sophia's watching. Careful. And you take the other one.
Wait, first let's shake. So the flowers of the lemon.
See, and then our lemon, they have already flower. They have tiny also. You saw, guys? Here. Here. Very cute now, buyag. I think I already take a video this one before they have too much, and then I trim. Now see, it's coming now soon. Now Sophia will bite. You can bite, Sophia. Bite. You wash already? The pangag guys will bite. What happened? Daddy, give to Daddy. Daddy is biting. Not yet?
Ripe already.
Ripe? Oh my God! See guys, cheers!
Mommy, give me straight. It's straight.
Now Sophie's, wow.
Honey.
Guys, oh, share guys, kami tatlo. And then now Daddy, you pick up an awam. Wow, so yummy.
Tastes like a honey, yeah?
Very sweet, guys. Oh my God. And then very fresh. No more. Daddy, check. Daddy, maybe they have still.
No more.
So delicious. Kalami ba, oy? Before, guys, and in the province, mamayabas ko, guys. Mamayabas. Kalami, buyag. Buyag, kalami.
Dad, I want to see.
Tiny lang kayo siya, guys. Oh. Show me, Daddy, where? We pick up 2. We pick up 2, guys, and then see. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. But this guava, guys, is very conducive to give us fruit. 2022, 1 piece. 2023, 1 piece. 2024, 1 piece. Now 2025, 2 pieces. Yummy, guys, on.
You put dhania, yeah? Also, yeah.
I put here coriander leaves, guys.
We need to keep the mud from the up.
I put can add.
What is that?
Not yet, still pending. See, guys, my garlic is growing. This is onion, garlic.
It's going.
Because we plant here the dhania. Now my husband he add already. Here also I put the dhania, mango.
Where's the mango? Where's the mango?
Somewhere. Say hi, Sophia.
Hi.
Careful.
Where? Hey, this one mango.
rinse ko to guys, mga butilyo. Sa taas kinuha, tapos dito. Kasi kapag marami na to guys, ibibenta kasi to. Ano to? Ang tawag? 10 rupees. Morning guys! Mag-apply sa aking part-time job. Part-time job guys na walang sahod. Sampay-sampay guys, laban-laban. Dito ako guys na pag-ano. Nagpa-part-time ako dito guys. Sampay ng mga ano. Sayad siya, sayad. Dito guys ang aking part-time. Sampay muna tayo. Mamaya ipakita ko sa iyo. Aking part-time. Ay nako, life is just a night. La 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 la. Kumusta kayo mga my love? Tapos magwalis, magmap. Lahat-lahat dalang gagawin guys. Mabuhay. Mabuhay ang life. Nasaan naman kayo dyan? A day in my life as a stay-home housewife, taking care of baby, taking care of the dog, taking care of the chicken, taking care of cleaning the house, part-time or whatever. O, ano pa mga part-time dyan? Bigyan nyo akong part-time. Para naman sa mga, no? Para naman bili-bili kung ano, biling bigas. A day in my life talaga, guys. A day in my life as a cleaning. Ito muna akong aking mga day in my life, mga my loves. Laban na naman, guys. Ng mga bedsheet.
Oi! What are you doing to that one?